Okay, guys, if you want to do the Monet water lilies picture, you're going to just make the outline of the lilies on the paper. So up in this corner, you can see on here that there's one in the corner here. Now, if you don't get every single lily on there, that's okay. I'd rather have you have less good ones than a lot of not good ones. When I mean not good ones, I mean don't make them look. When they're done, they should be ovals, okay, with little pieces taken out of them. They shouldn't be circles like that, okay? So, when I start, I'm going to make like part of an oval up here because there's one up here. And I don't know if you can see that with my pencil. Yeah, you can, okay? So then there's one back over here, too. There's one kind of next to it that's really flat because it's further away. So you're just going to make ovals first. You see how I'm making these ovals? Okay. And I'll make it darker so you can see it on the screen there. So you're making ovals, just ovals. And there's a flowering one that's right here. Okay. So I'll make the flower with the triangles at the top. And it doesn't have to be perfect because when you draw over this with chalk, you're not going to see any of the pencil lines anyway. Okay, so there's one next to it. There's an oval next to it. Okay, there's one there. There's one here. And there's one here. Now, you guys are going to want to draw lightly, though, because if you make a mistake, it's easier to erase. So see how I'm just putting in these ovals? Now, and like I said, if they're not perfect, I'm not super concerned with that, okay? And here's this one over here. And here's one right here, okay? And you know what? These two that are down in the corner over here, I'm only going to get one of the two on. That's okay. So I'll make one here. And this one's a little, see how this one's flatter or more round looking than this one? Because these are further away, so they're tilted even more. Okay? And then there's a couple going on the screen, off the screen right here, off the paper, or the picture I should say. And up here, there's a flower up here, another flower. You can probably see the back of it because it's flatter than this one a little bit. This one would not be as flat. But you see how there's kind of a hole right here? There's no lilies right in this section, okay? Which he kind of does on purpose. Because, guys, it's always more interesting to put stuff on what they call the four corners, okay? There's the rule of thirds, which just means you break the paper up into three parts. But the corners, like if you were to make a line like this, and a line like this, and a line like this, and a line like this, here and here and here and here. Notice there's stuff here and here, 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 and here, but there's nothing right in the middle, okay? He does that on purpose. So after this, then you would start with your chalk, and that's the next step. Okay.